and as per our Indian standard, as per this design, okay, it is ready. Hello everyone. So in today's session, we are going to learn how to place reinforcement in the column. So first of all, this is the design for the column. So in column design, size of column is 300 by 450 mm. Reinforcement, we need to place 12 mm reinforcement, 10 bars, stirrups 8 mm, 150 mm center to center in center, and at both the end up to 2D, we have to place at 100 mm center to center. So we'll open Revit first of all, okay, and from Revit we'll select a new file. From the template we'll select structural template, as we are working in structural things, so we need to select structural template. So this kind of interface will be there. So from this interface we need to select structure. From the structure we will select column. Now if you see, the size of column is 300 by 450, so we need to change the column from here, 300 by 450 mm. Once we'll select that, we can able to place that. We'll place that column. Now from 3D we can see that column as well. This kind of column is there. Okay. Now select that column. We need to place the reinforcement. So as of now, we are going to place the reinforcement. So 12 mm, 10 reinforcement will be there. So we'll select rebar. Okay. From here we need to define the shape. Okay. Obviously for the column it will be vertical. Okay. So when I'm able to place the rebar, I'm not able to place that. So here some settings are there. We need to change that. So from here, first of all, far corner reference, that is okay. Placement. So we are putting that perpendicular to the cover. So we need to select that. This is the cover. So reinforcement should be like this only, not the outside of the cover. So once you will place the reinforcement properly, now you can use the mirror command. So to use the mirror command, here is the mirror command. Select that, draw the axis like this. Reinforcement will be there. Now same I will do with this. Okay, I will draw the axis and reinforcement will be there. So I have placed the 4 reinforcement. Now I want to see that in the 3D. See, these are the reinforcements. Okay, so we have placed the 4. Actually there are 10 reinforcement. Okay, but when I will place the 10 reinforcement, so type of stirrups will be changed. So you have to comment that you are looking for a new video with the 10 reinforcement, and I will make a new video on the 10 reinforcement as well. As of now I have placed the 4. Now our next step is to place the stirrups. Okay, so for the stirrups, as per Indian standard, the spacing of the stirrups in both the ends should be different, and at the center it should be different. So at both the end it is, as per our design, it is 100 mm center to center, and at the center it is 150 mm center to center. So first of all we will place at both the end. To do that I need to cut a section. Okay, and to cut a section there is an option of a section at the top. So we'll cut a section like this. Now just right click, go to view, and you can see the column section. Okay, now as per the design it is 100 mm center to center. So up to what height? 900 mm. 2D, 2 times depth of the column. So for that we need to take a detail line. For shortcut is DL. Now from here, from this level, select 900. Okay, like this. So up to here the reinforcement center to center distance between stirrups is 100 mm. Okay, now again go to the level, place a stirrups here. Okay, to place the stirrup, again repeat the same steps. Select this, select rebar. So there are many kind of rebar available here. Okay, so I will find the shape of stirrups. Okay, and this is the shape of stirrups. Again we need to change this plane. See, I'm not able to place it properly. Okay, so first of all, far cover plane, then it is parallel to the work plane, because I'm working on a work plane and it is parallel to that. So select that. Now going to the 3D, and it is okay. If you want to change, then just press space from the keyboard and you can change this. Okay. Now again come to the section. Now we have placed this. Now here layout is there. So from the layout, you need to select the spacing. Okay. So maximum spacing, how much it is? 100 mm. So select 100 mm. So we need up to this height. So we'll select this stirrups. Okay, and arrows are there. We'll reduce more till this line. Okay, now it is okay. Go to the 3D and you can check. Now we want the same at the top. Again we'll use the same command which was mirror we used earlier. So mirror, now draw axis from the center. Now in 3D we have stirrups at top, stirrups at the bottom. Now we need stirrups at the center, but center to center distance is 150 mm. So we will do one thing, we'll copy this. The shortcut is CO. Okay, we'll copy from this point, intersection of this, and we'll paste exactly here, intersection of this. Okay, now we will move this at 150. Okay, now we want till here. Again we want distance between these two as 150. So again we need to use DL. Then we'll take a distance of 150 from here, and it is exactly 150. So that is okay. Now we'll delete this DL because we don't require that. Okay. Now we'll go to the 3D, and as per our Indian standard, as per this design, okay, it is ready. The column reinforcement. That's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much for being with me.